Spring is finally showing up. Have you ever thought of giving some use to that sunny balcony in your house, but you never knew how? On this video, we are going to give you some great ideas for a nice and simple balcony. Get your small oasis now. And call your friends for a drink. Nice and simple. Even with little you can make a big difference. A wooden table, benches, a splash of black and a touch of nature. Voila! A nice and simple nook to work or have a drink with friends. A vertical garden. No space on the floor? Hang it on the wall. Vertical gardens are trendy and release lots of space. You can buy this type of containers or create your own. Recycled ceramics, tins or plastic bottles will do a great job on creating an original layout, with almost no money. Privacy and comfort. A fantastic touch of green, a little oasis at home. If you like privacy, but want to continue enjoying nature, choose natural materials such as wood, wicker or bamboo for the fences, awnings, furniture, etc. Add some white or terracotta pots and green plants as much as you need. Grow your own food. You can grow your own food, even in a small space. How about not having to go to the supermarket every time you feel like having a delicious salad or a special condiment? Aside from being a relaxing activity, getting your hands on the ground will translate into benefits for your wallet. If you have the spirit of a true gardener, you'll always be on the lookout for new species and you enjoy watching your plant grow. Garden centers have horticultural varieties suitable for smaller gardens and balconies, as well as a wide variety of pots and planters. If you have a larger area to install your vegetable garden, raised beds are a good option. They allow you to work in a more comfortable position, help you consume less water and protect your crops. Meditation nook. If you are a meditator, you will want to have your own special place of retreat. How about creating a corner that inspires calm and tranquility on your balcony or garden? Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more home decor tips.